Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we completed the Transportation tab and explained how ground transportation services are managed inside the reservation file. In this video, we'll move to the Guides tab, where we manage tour guide booking for the group. The Guides tab is used to manage all guide bookings, including guide details, working dates, language, operational notes, and related accounting information. There are two ways to assign guides in the system. Let's start with the manual method. As shown in the Excel file we received from the agent, we will enter the exact guide requirements day by day. Starting by clicking on the green plus button to add a new guide record. Select the guide as French Guide. Set the from date and to date based on the guide's working period, in this case, from January 28th to January 30th. Select the language, French. Next, select the guide service only if the guide is contracted per service. If the guide is contracted on a daily rate, leave this field empty and the system will calculate the daily rate automatically. Set the booking status as requested. Enter the accommodation nights if applicable, in our Excel example 2 nights. Add notes if needed, then click Save. That's the manual way of assigning a guide. Now let's look at the automatic method. In Phase 2, Part 4, we explained how guide information can be defined directly inside the itinerary. If the guide details in the itinerary are already accurate, there's no need to enter them manually again. First, delete the existing guide record. Then go to the Itinerary tab and click Create Guide Booking option. The system will automatically pull all guide-related information from the Itinerary tab. This includes the guide name, dates, and accommodation nights. All records will appear instantly inside the Guides tab, saving time and reducing manual errors. Now let's quickly review the options on the right-hand side of each guide record. Show controls whether the guide record appears in system-generated documents, such as guide sheets and operational reports. Lock prevents any further edits after final confirmation with the guide. Post indicates whether the guide cost has been posted to the accounting module. If posted, the cost is transferred to accounting. If not, the record remains operational only. You can also preview the guide voucher directly from the record. To add more details to the guide booking, click the folder icon on the right-hand side. A detailed dialog box will open. The upper section is for operational and reservation-related details. The lower section is for accounting details, which we'll explain in later videos. From here, you can add notes, additional notes, special negotiated rates, or any internal information for your team. You can also add arrival, departure, and itinerary details. This can be done manually or automatically by clicking Import, which pulls all related data based on the guide's working dates. Finally, click Preview to generate the guide reservation voucher. After every change, always click Save to make sure the system stores the updates. This completes the Guides tab inside the Incoming Reservation File. In the next video, we'll move to the Clients tab and continue building the reservation flow. Thanks for watching, and let's continue.